The bubble nest is a fascinating behavior exhibited by male betta fish. It's a sign of their reproductive instincts and readiness to breed. When a male betta is in a suitable environment and feels comfortable, he will start creating a bubble nest at the water's surface. So, what exactly is a bubble nest? It's a cluster of bubbles that the betta fish creates by blowing air from its mouth. The male betta carefully constructs the nest by using saliva and air bubbles, which he gathers and sticks together. The nest forms a floating structure on the water's surface, often resembling a small raft or a cluster of bubbles. Now, what does the presence of a bubble nest mean? It indicates that the male betta is in breeding condition and is ready to court a female for potential mating. The nest serves as a safe haven for the eggs and later the fry, baby fish, after the female releases them. The male betta guards the nest and takes care of the eggs and fry until they are independent enough to swim on their own. It's important to note that not all male bettas will create bubble nests, and the presence or absence of a nest does not necessarily indicate the overall health or well-being of the fish. It mainly reflects their breeding instincts and readiness for reproduction. Creating a suitable environment for bubble nest building involves providing the betta with warm water, around 78–80 degrees Fahrenheit or 25–27 degrees Celsius, calm and still water surface, and plenty of floating plants or other materials that can support the nest. It's also essential to ensure good water quality and a spacious tank for the betta's overall well-being. So, the next time you spot a bubble nest in your betta fish tank, it's a sign that your little fish friend is feeling amorous and ready for potential parenthood. If you liked it, then please subscribe to the channel and like it. Goodbye.